Hi, I'm Crockpot Ambassador Poh, and I'm about to show you how to make Chinese chicken congee in the Crockpot Express Easy Release Multi-Cooker. While Aussie kids have Vegemite on toast for breakfast, Chinese kids have congee. So this is a dish that I grew up on, and it's not just for breakfast, it's also a comfort dish for when you're feeling a little bit run down, a little bit like chicken soup. So to start off with, ginger, imperative. I'm just going to shred that really finely. The beauty of this recipe is it's one of those ones that you don't really have to stick to. If you love ginger, put tons in there, which is what I do because I love ginger. Okay, that's it. I've already got the rest of the ingredients chopped up, ready to go. I've just got spring onions and a little bit of garlic. If you think garlic's a bit full on for morning, you can just leave those out. You can just have the ginger and the spring onions. Let's start cooking. I'm gonna start off by pressing brown saute and stop-start, and pop in my oil. So a lot of people say you shouldn't use olive oil for Asian food, but it's just so good for you and I love the flavour of it now. And there's so many strong seasonings in Asian cooking anyway, so I don't feel it really overpowers anything. So I go with olive oil, but you can use vegetable oil, whatever you want. Ginger, spring onions, and then garlic. It couldn't get any easier. All you want to do is just saute these ingredients until they're golden and fragrant. And just as an aside, this is the holy trinity of Chinese cooking, okay? Ginger, garlic, spring onions. Cook anything in this and it pretty much turns out amazing. This is starting to smell beautifully fragrant and I can just see the edges getting a little bit golden. We're ready. Throw in your rice, stock, I'm going to withhold seasoning for the time being because it's a salted chicken stock, and then I'm going to pop my 2 fillets of chicken in there. And believe it or not, that's it. Pop the lid on, and then we pop it on rice grains. The thing that I love about making this in the Crockpot Express and not on the stove is that I don't have to keep monitoring or stirring it. All the moisture just gets trapped inside and keeps that rice bubbling away and nice and runny, which is the texture that you want, not gluggy. I've obviously let the steam out using the easy release dial and taken the lid off. I'm going to fish my chicken out and shred it. And it should take hardly any time. Beautiful, we're nearly there. And then I'm just going to return this to the pot. At this point, if you feel that the congee is a little bit gluggy, just add a little bit of water or more stock to loosen it up. Just give it a little stir and we're ready to plate. How beautiful does that look? And then we've got a few condiments. We've got some light soy for seasoning, a little bit of sesame oil, which adds lovely nuttiness. White pepper. I like lots of white pepper. Give it a little bit of heat. And spring onions. And fresh ginger. I love my fresh ginger. And last but not least, fried shallots. Oh, I forgot coriander as well. Such a beautiful bowl of wholesome goodness. So this is one of my all-time favourite brekkies of Chinese chicken congee made in the Crockpot Express Easy Release Multi-Cooker. What a great way to start the day.